KK, what's up?
bro.
Thanks.
Can we finance for your house?
अबे नहीं यार, तेरे को अगले साल बोला था, तू अभी आ गया.
This is next year.
No, अभी मैं रेडी नहीं हूँ, प्लीज बाद में आना.
The fuck?
चल छोड़ यार. Welcome to my home. Doing this video. I'm really sorry. I've been trying to do it since a long time, but I wasn't really sure how I should do it and how it's going to be. I never felt I'm prepared enough to do it, but nevertheless, so let's not waste any time and let's get right into it. So as you enter my home, you have this living cum dining area where you have seen my famous sneaker wall multiple times in a couple of videos. So let's start from here. This is the area which is a display sort of that I've kept to keep all the things that are more relevant to what I do on YouTube. So if you guys know, from some time back I used to have a glass showcase here where I collected all random and lots of Supreme accessories, but after that I realized that it's not really looking nice and it's looking more like a shop. So I got rid of that whole setup and I wanted to only keep things that are more relevant, like I said, and things that actually fit into the decor of the house. So everything that you see in my house today is going to have some meaning and some logic behind it, and which is why that particular thing is kept there. So yeah, moving on, this is a sneaker wall. Like I said, what I usually do here is I keep my probably my latest 5 to 10 sneaker pickups that you will usually see in my recent videos and stuff like that. So below that I have kept this Supreme Chatai, as you guys know, you all had seen in my unboxing video. This is a Supreme mat or something, I don't know, let's just call it Chatai and keep it simple. So moving on to the sort of a dining area. It's not exactly a dining area, it's like a bar table that I've kept here because I do not want that formal seating and stuff like that. But I usually also eat over here apart from drinking, so I have this Supreme ceramic plate here along with a set of chopsticks that I don't really use as often, but I just thought it will go great with the decor. Like I said, I have only incorporated the accessories that really go well with the decor and it really suits the whole area in the house. So yeah, I do eat here sometimes, but like I said, I don't use the chopsticks as often. Along with that, obviously you drink water or you drink Coke or you drink whatever when you're eating food. So I have this Babe coaster here along with a Babe glass that I use to drink Coke in. No, I do not have my alcohol in this. This is only to drink Coke because I had set off 2 glasses, but my guy who looks after the house broke 1 glass, so I had no option but to keep just one over here. Now moving on, since we are talking about the table and drinks, let's first see my small little bar area that I have created here. So the top shelf is again with things that signifies the bar area and drinking. So there's a water bottle from Supreme because you usually have water with your alcohol, and there's also a couple of bottles from Babe. This is the Babe Coca-Cola collaboration. So I've kept these 2 things here again only because I either drink my whiskey in water or in Coke. So which is why we have these specific things here. Also, by the way, I keep my house keys and my car keys here. So that's my car key, and this is my house key with a Supreme skeleton keychain that was recently released. And apart from that, when I am feeling a little naughty and I want to carry drinks somewhere where you're not allowed to carry, I got this really nice Supreme flask because this can easily be hidden away in your Travis Scott 1 highs in the hidden compartment. What do you think? So yeah, this is for that. So this is also here. This reminds me that KK, don't forget your whiskey when you go out of the house. So that was a small little bar area that I have and I use very often every day. So this is the living space that I have here. That is Harsh. He's the only non-hype item in my house, unfortunately, but nevertheless. So as you can see, this is the off-white wet grass rug that I was waiting from a long time. It was stuck in custard. Oh sorry.
वीडियो निकाल के बेचना भी तो है.
Oh fuck यार, तू यार दिल्ली वाले देख रहे हैं, तू उनके सामने बोल रहा है, पागल है क्या यार? Cut. हाँ, so where were we? Yeah. So this is the rug that was stuck in customs for the longest time, and this is one of the reasons why this video was getting so delayed. let's not put too much time into it. Apart from the rug down, there's also a Murakami pillow that you have already seen. I just leave this randomly here because I think it goes well with the whole wet grass look. Now apart from that, any other small furniture that you see in the house, and even that table for that matter, is all from IKEA. Even these side tables and all, everything is from IKEA. This is a rented apartment and not my own apartment, which is why I have resorted to only IKEA for the basic furniture. So yeah, moving on. This wall table is here for me to just sit here, you know, when I'm chilling and I'm probably thinking of some video idea or something. So I usually jot that down in this notebook, which is from Antisocial Social Club. So the kind of posts I want to do, the kind of videos I want to do, when do I want to schedule my videos and things like that, usually goes in this book. Moving on, this is a simple plain couch, nothing great about it. This is a simple yellow beanbag, which is a replacement because I have ordered the Travis Scott beanbag and that takes months to come. So I don't know when is that going to come. When that comes, we'll replace it with this. Also, why is this beanbag so small is because I don't want anyone else to sit on it, especially Harsh, because he doesn't really sit on things, he kind of falls on it. So it's just going to blast away, and that's the reason I've kept it so small that he cannot sit. Moving on, we have this really nice Supreme skateboard decks on the wall. No, before some smart people start commenting, do you skate bro, you don't skate bro, why do you have skateboards? This is a part of the decor. Instead of putting a painting here, I wanted to put something about Supreme, and it's very difficult to get the Supreme original posters, which is why I've put a set of 3 recently released camo print skateboard decks, and yeah, that's about it on the wall. Now let's take a look at this side table here. This is one table which is not really in use, but I usually keep this Supreme metal box here. This has all my medications and all of that, the regular daily stuff, not the serious things. So this is always here, and this is my Supreme phone that I use only for OTPs. So all my bank numbers and stuff like that, everything is on this phone. So I only switch it on when I have to refer to an OTP for a transaction. Now moving on to the other side, we have another side table here which is actually in use most of the times. We have this Babe print tissue box, or other tissue cover. You can just take any tissue box and put it inside it. So basically, people who like to snack and don't wipe their hands, I have kept this really expensive companion here who can tell them, please feel free to pick a tissue and don't dirty my house. So that's for that. We have a couple of more coasters here from Antisocial Social Club, which is in black because these tables are in white. So when I'm sitting here and having a drink, I use these coasters because they look great on the white table. So this was my living space. Now let's talk a little bit about tech, because some of you guys are going to be interested in that also. So my house is not completely autonomous, it is semi-autonomous, semi-automated rather, or whatever you want to call it. So I have this light on top, which is the Nano Leaf lights. So what I don't do in my house is switch on or switch off any lights. Everything is scheduled. So as per the sunset, the lights come on, they become brighter as it gets darker, and then they start dimming down by about 10 PM when I'm just watching Netflix or something with dim lighting and ambient lighting. So, and they go off by about 3 AM because that's when I usually sleep. So that's with the lights on top. That's the centerpiece of my living room. Now apart from that, obviously we have this television that many of you guys have asked me when I put it on my story and all. This is a basic Sony 4K OLED in 65 inches. I think it's the A8 or the A9 or something like that. And behind that, for ambient lighting, again we have Philips Hue lighting, which is also automated. It changes as per the days. Like on Saturday you have different colors, then on evenings, on weekdays you have the teal and orange setup for the cinematic Netflix viewing and stuff like that. I'm very finicky about that. I want everything perfect all the time. So yeah, next to that is this PlayStation 5, which again you have seen in one of my recent vlogs. I got it early, it's not yet released in India. So the PS5 is here, and on the other side of the TV we have this Bear Brick, which I got from Culture Cartel and Homegrown India. So they had a really nice care package that they sent to me, and this was a part of that. And now, by the way, I totally forgot about one thing. Let's just come in this section again. So this is the place, like I said, where I have all my little bit of collectibles and things like that. So talking about this display, like I said, I have a very interesting giveaway for you guys. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to pick 3 winners, and all of you guys, all the 3 winners will be able to choose whatever you like from this rack. And if you don't like anything from here, then you could also probably choose one of the recent Jordan 1s, namely the Midnight Navy, the Metallic Silver, that is both the Japan pack, and probably a biohack. So these are the things I'm giving away in this video. Obviously this is going to be possible only if this video reaches 5,000 likes. So don't forget to like this video, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to share this video with as many people as you can, so that we can reach the 5,000 likes target, and you could 3 of you guys could have whatever you want from here, or maybe the Jordans. Now before we head into the studio, guys, this is a 2-bedroom apartment. So one of the bedrooms is where I sleep, and the other bedroom is used for the studio, which we will see in a bit. Now before we head there, let's quickly go and see my kitchen. There isn't much in the kitchen. There is only one section that I use. So let me just enter and show you that. So this is the only section that I use in the kitchen. As you can see, this is the Supreme Mocha Express, the coffee maker, and these are the Supreme mugs along with these Ziplocs from Supreme. So when I have to carry any snack or something in the car, Rajiv usually packs it in these Ziplocs. Show Rajiv, no bro. Rajiv, hi, bol hi.
Hi.
Arey, hath karna aisa, hi. Hi. So that is Rajiv. Basically, he is the backbone of my house. Without him, I cannot survive. I can live without anyone in this world, but not him. So that's what he packs some snack for me if I take it in the car. So usually what happens is that in the weekends he's not there for a night or two. So that is the only time I enter the kitchen to make coffee in the morning. And yeah, he's like, I only make it. I only make it. अबे Supreme है तो तू क्यों बनाएगा? मैं बनाऊँगा ना. I'm the hype beast.
बड़ा काम कहाँ कर दो घर में?
Hey, shh. So what happens is that when it is, I mean, you have to rinse the mug before you pour coffee, right? So I have these Supreme dish towels that I use because I'm a hype beast and I cannot use anything which is not Supreme. So I use this to dry it up and then put my coffee in it, or rather Harsh puts it like he said. So this is the only thing I use in the kitchen, nothing else. Other than that, when he is not there, all the food comes from outside. Now let's head into the balcony for a bit. There is not a lot to show you in the balcony. There used to be a lot. I used to have Supreme lighters there. I used to have Supreme ashtrays. I used to have a Supreme lantern there, but then I took all that out because I wanted to stop myself from going into the balcony, since I recently quit smoking and I didn't want a reason to go out. But since I'm over that craving, I am kind of okay now. So this is what I do in my balcony if and when I do go outside. This is a pretty basic setup again from IKEA. Outdoor furniture. You have a nice plant here to make you feel close to the nature. So I have my shisha here, which I showed you in the last video. When it's winter and it's cold, I try to take it outside. Otherwise, I take it indoors. Then just to signify this sitting area, we have a nice Supreme newspaper here and novel here with the Supreme bookmark or the post-it stickers, or however you want to use it. That's okay. That's totally your call. And also I have this Chrome Hearts matchbox and candle here. I'm really feeling funny to tell you this, but yeah, I take a regular matchbox. I put the matchsticks in the Chrome Hearts box, and when I want to light the candle for ambient lighting or whatever, for the mood and all that, so I use the Chrome Hearts matchbox to light this up. Alright, so now let's head into the studio. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys about this Mona Lisa, IKEA Mona Lisa thing that I've kept here. I have not attached it with the wire because I don't know, it's just awkward. I don't know why the fuck did they make it like this. It cannot be hidden. So for now it is here. I don't know what I'm going to do with it later.
When is the curtain coming?
Oh yeah. So basically I've kept this Supreme Chhatri here because it's a mess over there. You know, when Harsh is here with me a couple of days in the week.
By the way, this was my idea to keep this here.
Hey, chal, jhoote sale. He keeps all his kachra, all his dirty shoes and all the dirty shoes that you don't want to show people. He keeps it over here. So I put this chhatri here to hide it because we were going to get that Supreme bamboo. What's it called?
Curtain.
Supreme bamboo curtain, na?
bamboo.
Something like that. Yeah, you must have seen with all the hypebeasts around the world. So I want to put that over here. So yeah, that's not come yet. We'll take a look when it comes. And please clear your kachara from there. Alright, so just before we enter my studio or the second bedroom of the apartment, I have put this Supreme newspaper in a frame over here. I think this had released some time back where they had put Supreme branding on the SF weekly newspaper in USA, that as you can see here. And the front had the Supreme and the back of the paper had the Ream, sorry, Soup and Ream. So I've put it both the sides and framed it together. I just think it looks really cool in the house. Now this is my studio and that is the bedroom that I sleep in. I'm not going to be showing you my bedroom today because it is not complete as usual. So probably what we can do is we can mix my closet tour, and in that video itself I can show you my bedroom also. So let me know in the comments below what you feel about that, and then we'll take a look at that later. Let's go into the studio now. अबे यार मेरे को एक बात बता, मैं जिधर से भी आता हूँ उधर ही क्यों बैठे रहता है बीच में यार?
अरे तो हर जगह तो आप शूट कर रहे हो, तो कहाँ बैठूं मैं?
तो बाहर बाथरूम में जाके बैठना यार। इसको फेमस होना है खाली, बस कुछ नहीं। Guys, please do one thing, just follow this guy who wants to get famous. He's trying to come in my video every time. Where are you running away now? Come here. Okay, so this is the studio. As you enter, you can see this metal rack on the side. Let's quickly brush over it. This holds all my accessories of the lights and the camera and stuff like that. Blah blah blah. These are some sneaker boxes. These are my sneaker containers from Main Street. They still have this pending. Some of them are left in stock because newer ones are going to come out. So if you want that, then you can contact Main Street to buy that. So I have the single pairs from outside or some general releases down. You know, all those sneakers are here. Anyways, this is not a sneaker collection video, so we are not going to take a look at all the sneakers. So moving on, you have this glass showcase that you have seen before, like a couple of months back on my Instagram. This is where I used to store all my Supreme accessories that I used to buy like a fool, you know, randomly every shit that comes out. So for now, I've kept it here. I want to keep my Grail sneakers here. As you can see, one sneaker is ticked off that list. That is the Dior Jordan Lows. So for now, below that, I have kept my hats here. These are the Chrome Hearts hats. These are the Supreme hats. Don't show it in too much detail, please. Don't show it in too much detail. That video is going to come after the next video probably. So relax. We'll talk about all the caps, how to buy, how to maintain, and things like that. Now, yeah, a couple of special boxes on top of the rack. It's just randomly placed. Nothing is actually planned or anything. Then I also have some shoe boxes here, which are, then I have some shoe boxes there. I have some here. Now you must be thinking, what are these sneakers and why are they on the table? So let me quickly tell you the process, how it works in my house. So whenever a new package comes in, my guy Rajiv that you met a couple of seconds back, he opens the package and he brings the shoe inside and keeps it on the table. Because what I usually do is I like to wake up, enter the studio and start shooting. So I like my things here and I don't want to plan it. I want to keep it as natural as possible. So all the packages come here. I enter the studio, put on the camera and then decide what am I opening today or what am I shooting today. That's how it works. So these are a couple of Jordan ones, since we are talking about it, that I have recently copped. Let's just see which one they are quickly. So these are the Mochas. I haven't yet opened them or shot with them, which is why they are lying around like this. These are the Smoke Rays. So the Smoke Rays I won from, as in I bought it from Veg Non-Veg on retail, because for the first time in my life I was pretty quick enough. Not like Harsh, he usually cops all the sneakers on retail. Like you can see these Japans or metallic silver that he got on retail. He just gets every sneaker on retail and then he behaves like, oh, he spent so much money on shoes. Moving on, we have this another sneaker. This is, I think, Biohacks. Yeah, so I have got all these sneakers and another pair metallic silver in my size, not the one that you saw. So these are all the sneakers. I don't know when I'm going to open them, what I'm going to do with them. I like some, I don't like some. So I'll take a call later what is to be done. By the way, this is another retail cop, again from Harsh. You fucking get every sneaker.
This is the second sneaker and this is the first one.
Oh, fuck off. This is your 6th or 7th sneaker you got on retail. So don't ask me next time how to cop on retail. You should DM Harsh and ask him how to cop sneakers on retail. He, by the way, is a game developer and sort of a techie. So I'm sure he's made some shit on his laptop on his fucking Alienware and he's using it to add sneakers to the cart before anyone else can from Veg Non Veg. So DM him and he will tell you about that.
जोर जोर से बोल के सबको स्कीमें बता दो.
अबे ऐसा मत बोल, सबको लगेगा मेरे को भी मिलता है. मेरे को कुछ नहीं मिलता भाई, रिटेल पे सब रीसेल पे है. Alright, so before we head out of the studio, there are some people who wanted to know what equipment I shoot on or what I use in this studio where all the magic happens. So let's quickly go over that. As you can see, I have these two accent lighting. These are from Aperture. I think they're called MC or something. They're portable rechargeable lights and they do work wonders, as you have seen in all my videos. They literally cover up the whole room and you can literally change the background to some other color if you have a neutral background like mine. Apart from that, I use this Godox SL60, what do you call this? Key light. Yeah, that's the key light that I use for the main frame. And we use this mic. This is from Octava, that is from Germany. I couldn't find it here. I wanted this specifically. Not getting into technicality, so I got this from there. Now one more thing, it's kind of funny, but never mind. This is a Supreme mirror, as you can see. So whenever I'm sitting here and shooting a video, so before the final take, I usually check myself out in this Supreme mirror. So don't judge me on that, please. Alright, so that's all from the studio. Now let's quickly head out and let me just scroll through if there is something that I have missed. I think I did not mention this cause on the bar area, but you must have already seen that. So that's all from me for today. Do let me know in the comments what you feel about my house tour. It's not exactly how I wanted it to be. By the way, I forgot one more item, that is this Bape wall clock over here. So yeah, it's not exactly complete in a way that I wanted it to be, but nevertheless it had been delayed for the longest time. So I thought let me just shoot it for once, because I am very attracted with good interiors and I usually like to change my interiors every 6 months or so. So I thought before I start changing it once again, let me just shoot with whatever I have in the house and probably we can see an updated video a couple of months later. So one last time before I end this video, do not forget to enter the giveaway. Like I said, all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and what's more important is you share this video with as many people as you can, because if we do not reach 5,000 likes, which is not a huge target, then probably this giveaway will not end up happening altogether. So don't forget to do that and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
तो कुछ भी मत बोलो यार.
What do you think, guys? हर्ष वेट कम कर रहा है एक्चुअली दुबई जाने के लिए.
हाँ.
तो वेट कम करने के लिए वो क्या कर रहा है ना, 4 बर्गर खाता है, उसके जगह 3 ही खा रहा है. थोड़ा वेट कम हो जाएगा.
1 बर्गर.
चल ना यार, चालू कर यार.